Hi, my name is Anzoleaga, and I'm the leader of the Anzoleaga Group. I've been in the mortgage business for the past 16 years, and I've built my business strictly by referral. What that simply means is this: I don't do any cold calling, I don't advertise online, I don't door knock on people's homes. I simply devote myself to my clients, give them great advice, and that usually results in them referring me a business of similar quality to themselves. Now, what does that mean to you? Well, my approach is a little bit different, and it's usually tied to three things. Number one is strategy, number two is relationships, and number three is execution. So let's start with the strategy. Most consumers, when they think about a mortgage, they usually think about two things. They think about the rate, and they think about the payment. And even though that's important, the other half of that equation is actually costs. What is this loan going to cost me? Yes, on a monthly basis, but what's the overall cost of this transaction short-term and long-term? How does this loan fit into everything I'm trying to do financially as a family? Number two is relationships. 20% of the real estate agents do 80% of the work in this area. And to be able to have the relationships with these top producing agents makes a huge difference in this marketplace. You see, that one little phone call or that one personal touch goes a long way, and it's very different than what most institutions will do out there. Working with the best means that we do have a leg against the competition because of the relationship piece. And then number three, it's the execution. So most banks are going to take about 30 days to close your transaction because three things need to happen. The appraisal needs to be ordered, the title needs to be completed, and the most important piece is the underwriting process, which takes the longest. And here's the catch. Most banks are not going to start that process until you're under contract on a home. We're going to do the opposite. We're not going to just issue a pre-approval letter for you, but we're also going to take your loan prior to you securing a transaction, prior to you securing a home, fully through underwriting. So by the time we're done, you'll not just have a pre-approval letter, but a full commitment from us that's essentially as good as cash. There's a complete contrast between what most lenders do versus what we're going to do. You see, this is not a back of the napkin type of deal. This is the biggest indebtedness that you'll probably see your entire life. So if you're looking for the guy that's just going to say, here's your payment, here's your rate, here's all the paperwork you need to sign, that's not us. There's plenty of people that'll do that for you. But if you see the value in what we bring to the table, if you see the value of what we're going to prepare for you, and that is a comprehensive total cost analysis, and that combined with the relationships and the actual strategy is what makes us different.